Hello? Hello, traders? Hello, everyone. Hello, traders. Kindly like and share this live streaming so the number can increase and we can start our live trading. Kindly like and share, like and share. Hello, traders. Okay, perfect. So kindly like and share, traders, so the number can increase. David, hello, King. Hello, David. How are you going today? I'm fine. Hope you're doing well, traders. Hello, Drex, Gary. Hello, everyone. Is this still live? Yes, we are live. The best. Hello, King. Hello, you're most welcome. Nice to see you again. Hi, King Idol. Ricky, King, thank you for going live again. We have been waiting. You're most welcome. It's my pleasure. Giuliano, hello, King. Egli, hi, King. Jonathan, hello, King. You're most welcome, Jonathan. You remember now, Jonathan. You've joined my YouTube channel. It's my pleasure. Okay, so traders, let's like and share this live streaming so the number can increase and we can start our live trading. So you can make some profits trading live with me as same as with all of my previous live streamings. Okay, and for the moment you don't have an opportunity yet here. Let's make a global checkup. Okay, mainly the price is close from the EMAs at the moment and we don't have an opportunity yet. Okay, so we just have to wait a bit. Daniel, hello, King. Hello, Daniel. Do you work in long trade and everything? Pasquale, hello, King. Hello. You're most welcome, Pasquale. Noor, another member. Hello, King. Can you show how to follow trend? You're most welcome. Well, actually here I'm trading the EMA strategy, the basic version of it, and the full version is available on my website where these more hidden details and everything is very well explained. So here I'm only trading the basic version of it. However, we have traded some trends during our live streamings. If you can watch the previous live streamings, you will find them. Hi, King. Jerry. Giancarlo, hi, King. Yam, hello, King. bottom hiking. Okay, again, so the price is very close from the EMAs for the moment. How much is your content? I want everything is available on my website. The complete trading skill set is available on my website from A to Z. Okay, so for the Euro USD, the price is very close from EMAs. Also the gbpusd. So wait a bit. Now the market is going to move and we will have our first entry. So always be ready. Okay, the market started to move. That's what I'm talking about. Now we are expecting a higher movement, a faster movement. Traders, again, don't forget to like and share this live streaming so everyone can watch, because of course not everyone will be receiving the notification. And for the new traders who are watching my channel first time, you're most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can receive an instant notification whenever I go live. Exactly, traders. That's what I was talking about, and I was waiting for a sudden movement of the market. But we are still at the beginning, so let's wait further on. Okay. And then we can start. Lavanti, this is my first time I've heard great things about you. You're most welcome. It's my pleasure. You're in the right place. I've started this channel to place traders on the right path towards success, and that's my pleasure. You're most welcome. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can receive an instant notification whenever I go live in my next live streamings. Egley, 2 FTMO passed with King EMA strategy. The best guy and the best trader around here. You're most welcome. Thank you for your kind words. It's my pleasure. And congratulations for passing the FTMO challenge. Yes, actually many of my customers, after purchasing my products from my website, have passed the FTMO challenge with excellent results. Thank you, you're most welcome. Daiga hiking, I hope you're well. You're most welcome, Daiga. Hope you're doing well too. Okay, again, traders, so we've been waiting for a movement. The market has moved actually, but a very slow movement, so we don't enter at this moment. The market is slow for the moment, but everything can change out of a sudden. Of course, the trader can never control the speed of the market, so you just have to be patient a bit for the price to start moving, and of course it's going to happen. Okay, let's see other markets meanwhile. The USD yen is slightly below the EMAs. The AUD USD is on the EMAs. It's not offering any opportunity here. And the Euro USD also. The GBP has moved a bit and it's moving in a much better way than the other pairs. We miss you, King. You're most welcome. Okay, again, the price is making some small steps. Okay, traders, take a look. Now the price started to jump. As I have been telling you that the price will start jumping out of a sudden. We love you and we miss you, Hassan. You're most welcome. It's my pleasure. Okay, so out of a sudden, the Euro USD started to move, and hopefully the market continue moving in this way. Take a look here, traders, take a look to start reading the market in the proper way. The volume was below the EMA 20 for this whole moment. Take a look. During this period, okay, the volume was below EMA 20. Okay, so for so many candles, volume was below EMA 20. Out of a sudden, the volume crossed EMA 20 here. Take a look. And the price started jumping upward. You see? So what does that mean? This is what we have been waiting for a big number of traders and sometimes big institutions, big banks, to enter the market, to put this high volatility in the market. Here you can see their presence. The price is crossing EMA 20 and holding above it. Okay, so here you can see their presence. The volume is crossing EMA 20 and holding above it. Increasing the volatility of the market. The trader should always trade the high volatile fast markets. It's always recommended to trade high volatility in scalping. Otherwise, imagine you are trading such volatility. The price will not be moving. Okay, so it's bad for scalping. Scalping is about fast entries, and you are always looking to enter the market and exit as fast as possible. Okay. Hi King, happy to see you again. Wish to see you again and again. You're most welcome. Trying my best to go live as much as possible. How often do you go live? I'm not scheduling my live streaming, so make sure to click on the notification bell of my channel to turn on all notifications so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live. Okay, and I'm trying always my best to go live as much as possible. Andreas, hi King, best trader ever. You're most welcome, Andreas. Okay, so the price started to move here on the Euro USD. Let's see other markets. The gbpusd also. However, a small movement. Okay, so the market has moved a bit as a general way, but a very small movement. It's fine. Benjamin, I'm so happy to see you on live, Mr. King. You're most welcome, Benjamin. It's my pleasure. Again, prices are jumping upward for AUD USD and Euro USD. The market is getting more aggressive. Take a look. The volume has crossed EMA 20. It took almost 3 candles to reach this level. However, in one candle, the price went back upward toward the same level where the downward movement started some minutes ago. So the market is very aggressive to the upward movement. That's what I'm talking about, traders, you see? That's how you should be able to notice immediately and read the market. Take a look. I've been telling you some minutes ago, the market is very aggressive to the upward movement. And here we are. The price is pushing upward in a very aggressive mode. The volume is still above EMA 20. Okay, so let's wait for the perfect moment to enter this market. We are going to sell it if the price continue moving upward. It's all about your timing, traders. Your feeling and your reading of the market. Okay, so the upward movement started, but it's facing some difficulties continuing moving upward. Why didn't you sell this deal? It's all about your timing. That's what I was explaining some minutes ago. It's all about your timing, traders, okay? The market is still pushing upward, accumulating the bullish power, and big bullish candles are on the way. However, a new rejection started here, but take a look. The price is still pushing upward. Take a look. It's too early to enter here. That's why waiting for the price to move upward further. Take a look, take a look. That's what I'm talking about. The price is still pushing upward. Take a look. Be patient, traders, so we can enter this market. Okay, now we can start entering this market. However, a small entry. So we need a bigger one. Okay, now we can start entering, however, a small entry. The price still has some power to move upward further. Hello King, when is best time to trade? You can trade the whole time, the whole sessions, okay? Just avoid first and last couples of hours of any trading day, because at that time the market is very slow and spreads are high, okay? So here, traders, I've placed my first selling order. Since the market has been rejected here, it's time to start entering. However, the market has a good bullish power and the price can continue pushing upward further, but this power has been eliminated by this rejection here. So sellers won the battle, and here you enter at the perfect moment. The market is always dictating my predictions, as you can see. Once entering, once selling, the market is always dictating my prediction. Finally selling, profiting from this opportunity, the price started moving downward immediately. So traders, you should have sold with me at this level, okay? Once we have sold, the market is always moving downward once we sell. Again, to answer your question, so just avoid first and last couple of hours of any trading day. At that time, the market is very slow and spreads are very high, which is not recommended in scalping, okay? Traders, now it's time to sell the Euro USD. As you can see, this is an advanced purchase. Yes, of course, when you are watching someone very professional doing something in front of you, it's hard to be doing it like him immediately. It takes practice, of course, okay? And yes, it's advanced, of course. Working on your timing to become perfect timing is very advanced, definitely. Train well to trade well, traders. Queenie, hello King, we miss you, God bless you always. You're most welcome, Queenie. Thank you for your kind words, it's my pleasure. I take my profit and I'm selling again GBPUSD. Okay, perfect. So someone is entering on the GBPUSD. You can start entering this beautiful market, the GBPUSD. You can start selling the GBPUSD, okay? However, I only advise to trade one pair at a time, but since you are trading the GBPUSD, I will trade it with you, so you're not alone. Okay? Okay, traders, now you can sell the GBPUSD with me for the EURUSD. Let's prepare our take profit. Prepare to close on your profits, close on your profit on the EURUSD. However, it was a small entry, but we are just having some fun. Okay? So the money, the profits are a byproduct. Okay, profits or money is a byproduct. You are successful, money follows you, profits follows you. Okay, so even a small profit, I'm just having fun with you, enjoying my time. Okay, so close on the Euro USD and sell aggressively in a very aggressive mode. Start selling the GBP USD. Hopefully it offers another opportunity. And let's get back to the Euro USD. We have closed. The USD yen is trying to push upward again. So it might be offering a good opportunity if the price move upward much further than that. So keep an eye on it. The USD CAD also. Okay, so traders sell GBP USD for the moment and be prepared for another entry. USD yen is pushing, that's great. USD CAD also. Okay. Be prepared, traders. We will have some other entries. You are changing my style of trading. Thanks. Thank you. Yes, one pair, perfect mode. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your profits and for your improvement in Forex trading. I've started this channel to place you on the right path towards success, and that's my legacy. I've done enough in this career, broken the whole records in the biggest prop firm, and done enough in Forex trading. Again, traders, we have sold it at the top, the GBP USD, and let's prepare for our take profit. Okay, we will have another entry here on the USD CAD, and USD yen are offering some good opportunities. Okay, so the USD yen is pushing upward, offering some good opportunities. Okay, let's start selling on the USD yen, traders. Sell the USD yen for the moment and prepare to take your profit on the GBP USD. Prepare to close on GBP USD and start selling the USD yen. Okay, perfect. Close on the GBP USD, traders, and let's prepare for the USD yen. Okay, here we are having some fun. Close on the GBP USD, and now you can enter with me selling the USD yen. What do you do if the price goes up for 100, 500 pips and there's no correction, only a small one? Okay, you can watch all of my previous live streamings. I have many. Here I am only trading the EMA strategy, the basic version of it. Your question is advanced and everything is very well explained in the full version of the EMA strategy available on my website. Okay, so here you are only seeing the EMA strategy, the basic version of it. Okay. Take a look, traders. For the USD yen, the price went upward in some aggressive mode. And the Euro USD also moved downward. So we are trading the whole markets. We are trading different pairs. We are moving from a pair to another, okay? The Euro USD also has offered a good buying opportunity down here, okay? The Euro USD has offered a good buying opportunity down here. However, now we are selling the USD yen. Take a look. The market is moving aggressive a bit. The Euro USD, if you have bought it here, it's now a great opportunity to close on your profits. Okay, now you should be closing actually on your profits on the Euro USD. Since the market went up, now you should be closing on your profits on the Euro USD. If you have bought it right here, a minute ago. So imagine in 1 minute you have bought, you have closed down. Okay, that's the beauty of scalping. And for the USD yen, you should wait a bit for the price to move downward. Okay, let's wait for the USD yen to move downward further. For the Euro USD, for the moment, the price is very close from the EMA. So after buying here, you should have closed on your profits. Take a look, the USD yen has moved downward and now we are in profit. The price is moving downward and we can expect an advanced downward movement. Okay, the price will be moving downward much further on the USD yen. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Okay, so be prepared to close on your profits on the USD yen. Okay, let's get back to the USD yen. The price is pushing upward again. It could offer another selling opportunity if the price can break this high level. Okay. So for the Euro USD, after buying here, you should have closed. Now it might be offering another good opportunity from the above. Okay, so another selling opportunity. Take a look at the USD yen. Be prepared to close on your profits on usdjpy. And be prepared to start entering the Euro USD market. Again, the price is holding upward on the USD yen. So we might add on our orders if the price continue moving upward. Take a look at the space between our first two orders. That's how you manage your risk. And still, we didn't add on our orders yet. It's all about your risk management. It's not just about adding in a random way. It's not like that, of course. And over trading is the worst thing you can do for your account, of course. I've been training with your strategy for months. Thanks for it. However, some situation when the price didn't return or just it depends on each trader, definitely. Okay, now two traders trading the same strategy will get different results because it depends on each trader. Okay, so you should work on yourself. You should get the complete trading skill set from my website to make sure you have covered all of the missing knowledge that you don't have for the moment, and then you can start working on yourself, starting on the right path, working day in, day out, practicing in the right way, focusing on your timing, and getting the full knowledge, then you can retest your trading after some time. Okay? Watching me is never enough, traders. Watching me is essential, of course, to watch my live streamings, but it's never enough. I always advise to watch my whole content, but you should also work on yourself. Okay, imagine you are watching a professional basketball player, the number one, let's say, worldwide, and then you will say to yourself, I'm going to play basketball like him. It's just impossible. It's impossible. He has worked on himself for years. You cannot play basketball like him, but just because you are watching him. Okay, so here it's the same in Forex. It's another career. At the end, Forex is a career. Okay, why you should be able, after watching me, to trade like me? It's impossible. You should work on yourself day in and day out, and then test your trading skills after some time. And don't forget that it depends on each trader. For some people, maybe Forex trading is not for them, so they should discover that and find their passion. But if you are passionate about it and you are working day in, day out on it, and you have the right knowledge, it's impossible that you do not succeed. It's impossible. Anna, hi King of Forex, how does volume indicator work? As you can see, you have to watch my whole content from the beginning, my previous live streamings. The volume indicator is always analyzed upon each situation accordingly. Okay, so for example, like here, some minutes ago, I've been using the volume indicator, analyzing it, okay, in the Euro USD market. Okay, for the GBP USD, the price is moving downward. For the Euro USD also. For the USD yen, the price is still making some upward movement. However, a very weak upward movement. Take a look at these rejections. And the volume finally crossed the EMA 20, getting higher. So the volume has increased, showing some higher volatility in the market, okay? Due to the increase in the volume after crossing the EMA 20. Okay, so here I've added all my orders and waiting for the USD yen to retest this level after getting rejected here. You should always analyze the market, traders. Just I take my profit in GBP USD. Thanks you. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your profits. Okay. Okay. The USD yen is pushing upward. Now I will be adding all my orders. Just to be clear, sir, we should avoid the first and last hours of the session or day. No, day. It's not about the session. So you should avoid the opening hours of any trading day and the closing hours of any trading day. So for example, now we still need 3 hours for the market to close. Okay, so let's say now you can still trade for 1 hour or 2 hours, and then the market would be an hour about to close. So here it's better to not trade. Okay, you will start to see that spreads are very high, the market is very slow, and everything. Okay. Okay, the price again pushing upward. Okay, traders, so here add on your orders on the USD yen. The euro dollar is still moving from downward to the upward again. Okay, so the USD yen, take a look at the big distance that we are leaving between our orders. That's how you manage your risk. And the bullish momentum is still available. That's why the price is still moving upward. Take a look at the volume crossing the EMA 20 and holding above it for a good amount of time. Okay, so here I will be adding all my orders. On the other hand, the Euro USD started moving downward. Okay, so the Euro USD for the moment is providing a good buying opportunity. However, it's better to wait for it, for the price to move downward much further. Anna, can we use indicators on TradingView or it's waste of time? Yes, you can use, of course. You can use indicators on all platforms, of course. However, the MetaTrader or so MT4 or MT5 is the oldest and the best, okay? Okay, I'll be continuing other markets. GBPUSD is providing a good buying opportunity, traders. GBPUSD is providing a good buying opportunity for the moment. Okay, so a good buying opportunity on the GBPUSD. The AUD dollar, a small opportunity to buy it. Okay, so now if you don't have any entry yet, you can buy the GBPUSD. Otherwise, you are selling the USD yen and waiting for the market with me. Okay, for the Euro USD, it's a good buying opportunity as I've been explaining here some moments ago. Okay. My king, one thing I have to know to read volume indicator and use it when the price is about to return. Any tips? Okay, so one of the most important thing about it, again, it depends on each market situation and it should be analyzed accordingly. So it's not a general thing, a general analysis. It depends on each market situation. However, the general thing about the volume indicator that should always be used is to check the volatility of the market. So if the volume is crossing EMA 20 and getting high, that's a possibility of big movements on the way, especially if the volume was fading below EMA 20 for so long and the market was very slow. Out of a sudden, the volume crossing EMA 20 moving upward, this might indicate that a big movement is on the way. I'm not saying a ranging or a trending or anything, no, but a faster, a larger pips, bigger candles, okay? Higher volatility is on the way, okay? This might indicate like that, but it might be one candle and it fades away immediately. So in this way, it's not a movement in the whole sense, but if the volume crosses the EMA 20 and hold above it, it means there's really a good power. So it's not just about one candle. The price is going to continue and continue. So if, for example, like here, the volume crossed EMA 20 after moving away from the EMAs and the market continued moving, the price continued on moving up further again and again. So the bullish power remained there. Okay, so mainly, briefly, it's to test the volatility of the market. The higher, as a general rule, the higher the volume, the better. Since high volatility is always recommended in scalping. So the higher the volume, the higher the volatility, the price will be moving faster, making larger pips, so making bigger profits at shorter time. Okay, so the higher the volume, the better. Okay, so the Euro USD, after we have been analyzing it to buy here, the price crossed EMA 9 and the 20 and now is in between the EMAs. For the GBP USD, the price is still below the EMAs. However, as I've been telling you to buy here, it was a small opportunity, so you should have closed. The AUD USD, again, it's moving in almost sideways, so not offering a good opportunity. The USD CAD started to move upward. And the Euro GBP is also pushing upward, okay? I'll get back to the GBP USD. It's offering the best opportunity for the moment. While waiting on the USD yen, the market started to move on sideways a bit after getting rejected here. While the GBP USD is offering a good buying opportunity, it's on the way. Okay, so wait for the GBP USD to move downward if you don't have any entry yet. wait for the gbpusd to move downward and you can start entering this market. Can I have two separate trading accounts, one for the EMA strategy and one for the 1% strategy, or should I focus on one strategy? You're most welcome. So that's a good question. Actually, the best in general is to trade one strategy at a time. Okay, so the best is to trade one strategy at a time. And obviously, it's a good thing if you open two different trading accounts, one to trade the EMA strategy only and one to apply the 1% trading strategy only, because the 1% trading strategy and the EMA strategy are completely different trading systems. So trading one of them in a whole different account is better than trading both in one account, of course. So you don't have any confusion, you can focus on one strategy and in each account. Yes, it could be done in this way. It could also be done in another way, which is trading both in one account, but in this way it's the ideal, let's say, if you want to trade in this way. Okay, USD and the price started pushing downward. However, it was too early to close on. So let's wait for another movement. It's too early to close on. Let's make some good profits from this entry on the USD yen. Be prepared, traders. Be prepared with me to close on the USD yen so we can catch some good profits. And how did you come across Forex? Well, I've been trading Forex for 13 years almost. And I'm always explaining my story and in many of my live streamings and many of my videos. So if you watch my previous content, you will find me telling my story, explaining much further about it. Okay. Of course, I've started as a beginner. I've worked for the best prop firms, the most international, the biggest financial institutions, worked for others and for myself. I broke records in Forex trading. I am from the 1% club. I am the most successful in the 1% club. It took me a lot to take this decision to start this channel. However, no one in the 1% club of my colleagues decided with me that it's okay. It's the opposite. They told me, no, do not reveal any of our secrets to anyone. But I saw myself, I did everything in this career, did everything. So it's time to start building my legacy. That's why I've started this channel, to place traders on the right path towards success, because I cannot see any more people blowing their accounts in Forex trading. Unfortunately, everywhere else is pure nonsense. No one can do 0.01% of what I am doing on my YouTube channel. No one can do, I repeat, no one in the whole world can do 0.01% of what King of Forex does on his YouTube channel. No one, ever, never, ever, ever. I go live, I trade with you, I make multiple entries, not just one, multiples. I told you to buy, you buy with me. I told you to sell, you sell with me. We end up making very large profits. We have dozens of live streamings. No one can do 0.0001% of that. Everything out there is pure nonsense, unfortunately. So that's why I've decided to start this channel, to place traders on the right path, to reveal the truth finally. Thanks for that explanation of the volume, my king. You are really good at what you do. Many blessings to you, my king, and your family. Very grateful of what you do for us to learn from you. You're most welcome. You're most welcome. It's my pleasure. Thank you for your kind words, and big congratulations for your improvement in Forex trading. Happy to see you, King. Thank you for being here with us. You're most welcome. What about gold? You can trade gold in the same way. I have many videos about gold or XEU USD, so you can watch them. No one can. Facts, King. Yes, exactly. Hater, welcome on board, Hater. Yeah. Okay, so Let me put out some haters. I don't waste my time replying on haters, of course. They are always following me, of course. Who would they follow? The number one in the market. If you think anyone else on YouTube does what King does, prove it, it won't happen. Yes, of course, no one. They need 100 years. They need 100 years. 100 years, literally. What's good, King? Glad to see you live. Finally, you're most welcome. King, I love hearing the confidence. Your energy is always extremely high. I'm trying to keep the same level of intensity as you when watching the markets. Ricky, you're most welcome. Yes, this is essential to keep motivated, because I know Forex trading is hard. So the trader will be facing some ups and some downs. And when faced with down moments, it's hard to get up again. So the trader needs to be always motivated, and that's one of the number one, the main reasons that I go live, to motivate you again and again and again, to keep you motivated, in other words. It's my pleasure, Ricky. Hello, brother. Always great to see you online. Thank you for all the help and advice. You're most welcome. And congratulations for your improvement. Okay, again, for the USD yen, the price has reached EMA 9, EMA 20. However, it was too early to close here. So we are still waiting for the price to move downward much further. And let's wait for it. For the USD yen, for the AUD USD, the price is slightly above EMA 20. Hater is crying again. Yes, of course. Okay, Euro USD is very close from the EMAs for the moment. Thank you, Yam. Thank you for all you do, King. It's very much appreciated. You're the best. You're most welcome, Yam. Don't bump haters, King. Let them stay and be humiliated. Yes, of course, AJ, of course. They are always following me, watching my channels, and that's what haters do. And the best for me is you just block them, let's say, and so they can watch you, but they cannot comment again and bother your live streaming. That's it. I make nice profit in US 30 low spread. Yes, exactly. You can also trade indices. I have done some videos about trading indices, including the US 30. The important thing is to trade the markets with the lowest spreads possible in the account. Okay. Can we trade, Anna, can we trade using 200 EMA only, for example, if the price is far? Well, no, it's not like that, okay? Again, the USD yen is slightly above EMA 9. Take a look at the volume, it's low. That's why the price didn't have the power to return faster. That's why the price is taking time to be crossing the EMAs one by one, since the volume is below EMA 20 for the moment, okay? So here you should keep your eye on the volume. That's a missing sign that we need. We need the volume to cross EMA 20 so the price can return much faster. Again, USD yen is very slow for the moment, as you can see. the volume is below of EMA 20. However, for the moment, the volume crossed EMA 20 a bit, and we are waiting for the price to continue for the volume to hold above EMA 20. So the price can start moving downward, okay? Okay, again, so you need the 4 EMAs that you are using. We are using EMA 9, 20, 50, and 200 to be able to develop the reading of the market, okay? It's all about reading the market. That's Forex trading. You read well, you trade well. You need to understand the structure of the market. Okay, so here, for example, why the price is moving in sideways and not continuing its return, that's due to low volume. And as I was explaining some minutes ago, the volume here crossed EMA 20, however, didn't hold above it. That's why the price didn't continue its return, okay? So we have a missing sign. We need the volume to cross EMA 20. Then the market can continue its backward movement. For the Euro USD, it was providing a good buying opportunity here and a good selling opportunity just some minutes ago. Though GBP USD is still fluctuating around the EMAs, the AUD also slightly above the EMAs. So the AUD USD is providing a good selling opportunity, but it's very small, okay? However, I will keep my eye on the AUD USD. Why does the strategy work 85, 90%? It's not to be measured in that, okay? So these, I always explain what is famous on the internet is not useful in Forex trading, okay? So these are useful, these are very famous things like 85%, 90%, how much it works, when it doesn't, okay? These are famous things. Stay away from them. Do not use them. It depends on each market situation. It depends on the trader, on his level, on his skills of reading the market, on his strategies. How is he using? How is he trading? How is he able to read the market? So the market has different situations to offer. It's not to be measured. Well, I have, let's say, someone says I have 80% success rate. Okay, but it's different market situations. You cannot say in general way. Okay, the right way to talk in this is to say I trade each situation accordingly. Okay, because each situation is different. Okay, again, the market is very slow, but now the price started to move a bit finally. So let's wait for the price to continue its downward movement for the USD yen. And this is the worst scenario that can happen when you are trading, is the price out of a sudden is moving in sideways just because of missing some volume, okay? So the price is unable to move faster. So here at these moments, you will have to be patient enough, of course. Euro USD slightly below EMAs, the GBP USD also, and the USD yen is trying to push upward again. No, I work about 80%. Ah, okay. I work about 80% all time, sir. Okay. Yes, perfect. Of course, the more you trade, the more you make, traders. So as much as you can, but never ever overtrade. Okay, so the USD yen is pushing upward much further. I will add on my orders here. The Euro USD is pushing downward, and the GBP USD also very close from the EMAs. The AUD USD also very close from the EMAs. So with volume above EMA 20, that means price can go either up or down. Does I have any No, it's not like that. In regards to EMA 200 phase, if this makes sense. No, it's not like that. And the EMA applied to the volume here is independent from the EMAs applied directly to the chart. Okay, these EMAs are applied to the price. This EMA is applied to the volume. So here it's about testing the volume. Here about testing the price, the whole market. So it's not like that, of course, okay? These are independent. And when the volume is above EMA 20, it indicates that the market is in high volatile mode. So the trader can expect big candles. The trader can expect large pips, okay? But not if the price is above EMA 20, then the volume is above EMA 20, then the price will be moving upward or downward. It's not like that. It's about the price. It's about the price will be making bigger candles and larger pips, okay? I opened 700 position in day. Wow. You are making large profits. Congratulations. No need to open that much of sessions. How do you know when to trade 1% versus EMA? You can trade either the 1% strategy the whole time or the EMA strategy the whole time, okay? When I look a big distance between EMA 20 and 200, I hold my position to reach. Is good strategy, sir. It depends on each market situation, Hassan. So as you can see, if you watch my content from the beginning, sometimes I close on different EMAs, 9, 20, 50, 200, sometimes in between. Okay, again, it depends on each market situation. I just meant if we were in a buy phase, prices above EMA, then with high volume, does that mean preference is more towards a buy than a sell? You're most welcome. Yes, exactly. I've explained that. No, it's independent. Yes, I understand your topic. It's independent from that. I take your advice. When you trade more, you make more. Yes, but trading in the right way, okay? Not over trading. So in the wrong sense, of course. Okay, here I'll be adding all my orders for the USCN. Hello from UK. You're most welcome. My greetings to UK. Hi KOF, how are you? You're most welcome. Okay, traders, again, the USD yen after pushing upward. Okay, we have sold the top here. So let's see this market. Now the price is crossing EMA 9, moving downward. Be prepared, traders. The price is moving downward in a very aggressive mode. Take a look, big bearish candles. We have sold the top here. That's why I told you to sell here. That's why I told you to sell here at the top. And the market is pushing downward for the moment. Okay, so after getting rejected here, we have sold the stop and the price started moving downward for the moment. The Euro USD has been providing a good buying opportunity here if you have bought it already. Now it's time to close. The GBP USD also is moving upward. Okay, so soon the GBP USD will be providing a good selling opportunity. The USD yen has reached EMA 920 and got rejected here. Take a look, the volume crossed EMA 20 after a long period below it. So this indicates the presence of sellers. You see how to use the volume indicator. So now this indicates the presence of sellers and you have to wait for the price to cross the next EMAs one by one. Benjamin, maybe just in your case, okay? Not for everyone. So you may refresh the browser. Again, the price now is on EMA 9. Okay, you see traders, again, the same pattern is repeating. Some moments ago, the volume crossed EMA 20 but didn't hold above it. Now again, the volume crossed EMA 20 and didn't hold above it. That's why the market is unable to continue the downward movement in one way. Okay, the Euro USD is still the same. Let's get back again to the USD Yen. Be prepared, traders, to close on your orders. The price is moving downward. We are still missing the volume sign to be crossing EMA 20 and holding above it. The Euro USD is on EMA, so you can close if you have bought it. The GBP USD, after I've been analyzing it some moments ago, is to wait for the price to push upward further to sell it. Okay. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. The GBP USD is pushing upward, so wait for it to start selling. I will keep my eye on the GBP USD a bit. Wait for it to start selling. Okay, now the price is getting some rejection, so facing some difficulties, continuing upward, and you can start placing your first order on the GBP USD after this weakness here. Okay, you can start selling the GBP USD for the moment. Okay, so the volume indicator, the sell is correct. Does it matter the color of the bar? No, the color of the bar, it indicates if the color of the volume indicator is green, then the volume has increased. For example, like here, it was red, so the volume was decreasing. Now green, so the volume is increasing, okay? And I've just explained many times during this live stream about how to read the volume indicator. So you can get back some minutes ago, you will see the full explanation. I trade both strategies, okay? Traders, here as I've been telling you to sell the GBP USD, the price went downward toward the EMAs, and the Euro USD here is slightly below the EMAs. The USD Yen is trying to push upward again. The volume here is still missing below EMA 20. Okay, as I told you here to sell because the market is showing some weakness. Take a look, the price went downward and reached the EMAs. The USD Yen again reaching the top. Okay, so here again the market is trying to reach the top for the next time, for the next attempt again. Okay, so in this case, you just leave some space for the price to be fluctuating easily, and the euro USD is starting to push downward again. GBP USD also moving downward again. Please make video about market analysis and possession trading. You're most welcome. Really, you should watch my content from the beginning. So everything is available on my content, and the complete trading skill set is on my website. Okay, I always explain and analyze the market in each situation accordingly. So the best is to watch my previous live streamings, my uploaded videos, and the complete trading skill set is on my website. So you can start working on yourself from the starting on the right path. Again, the euro USD is fluctuating from slightly below the EMAs and slightly above. USD yen is still pushing upward. Okay, so GBP USD again upward movement. The AUD USD has been providing a good buying opportunity here, and now it's very close, slightly above the EMAs after closing on the EMAs. Okay. Again and again, the market is still very slow on the USD yen. Take a look. The whole candles are below the EMA 20. Take a look. The whole candles are below the EMA 20. So here the volume indicator is indicating that the market is it's not accumulating the bearish power to be moving downward. So that's why the return is not very fast, as you can see, because we still need to accumulate more power. We still need the volume to increase a bit to hold above EMA 20 for some period, showing the presence of sellers. Okay. Actually, I didn't want to enter on the USD yen because I knew that it was moving very slowly. Its volume is slower than the others, but I wanted to trade all markets in this live streaming, so it's fine. Okay, but of course, again, I repeat, always trade high volume, fast markets. Always in scalping. Okay, if you trade slow markets, it's fine, but you have to be patient. Take a look here. The volume crossed EMA 20 2 times consecutively. It was a good sign. The market started to return, you see. However, in other times when the volume crosses EMA 20, the market will be continuing the trend. Okay, so it depends on each market situation again. Next target is 50 EMA. Yes, in the sense that the price has crossed EMA 920 and now is going to cross the 50 EMA. Yes, definitely. The GBP USD is moving upward again, providing a good selling opportunity, reaching this level again. So I'll keep my eye on it, reaching this level again for second attempt. Big candle red on way. Talking about the USD yen. Well, to start the big bearish candles movement, we need the volume to cross EMA 20. Okay, so we still have a missing sign. The volume crossed EMA 20 and now it's doing great finally. So take a look, the price now is moving downward. Take a look, the bearish momentum started. This is what I was explaining to you traders. Take a look here at the volume. It was below EMA 20 without reaching it. and now the volume crossed EMA 20 for 3 times in a row. So this is indicating the presence of sellers. That's why now you can start expecting the bearish momentum. Okay, but we need the volume to hold above EMA 20. Since the volume is above EMA 20, this is indicating the selling pressure. Okay, Hassan, you did great. You were able to read the market very well. That's why you are trading the whole day. So you are practicing a lot. You're doing great. Congratulations from me to you for your improvement. I look a hammer candle. Yes, exactly. Of course, each candle is to be analyzed. Market go down very fast again and again. It's not to be taken in a general way. It depends, I repeat, it depends on each situation. Okay, so the trader should trade each situation accordingly. Okay, again, the price has crossed EMA 920, EMA 920, and now the next target is going to be the EMA 50. Okay, I'll keep my eye on the gbpusd. As I told you to sell here, the price is very close from the EMAs, because many traders are maybe now joining our live streaming and didn't enter with us on the USD yen. Now you can enter on the gbpusd. You can sell. You should have sold the gbpusd here 1 minute ago, and you should be ready to close on your profits on the gbpusd. Okay, take a look. The price is still pushing upward. On the USD yen, on the other hand, big bearish candles are on the way, starting from here. So here, take a look how we have analyzed the volume indicator. The market is dictating our analysis. Take a look. The market is dictating our analysis. However, the market is always trying to trick you. So here, showing you an aggressive bullish candle. So you might close with a loss or something, or buy here or something. Okay, so the market is always trying to trick you. Pay attention, traders. Forex trading needs lots of focus from your part. Okay, so hold with us here. We have sold edit on our orders here on the top, and now we are waiting for the price to cross EMA 50. Take a look at the volume, traders. What I was saying, that we are missing the volume indicator to cross EMA 50, to go high, to increase, to remain above EMA 50. Now it has happened. Once the volume has increased and crossed EMA 20 from the above, the big bearish candle immediately appeared. Okay, you see this whole momentum. If you take a look at this whole bearish momentum, it has only started after the volume crossed EMA 20 and held above it. Okay, again, the market is always trying to trick you. Take a look at this fluctuation from below EMAs to above EMAs. Okay, so you just have to be patient here and to control your emotions. Again, the gbpusd, as I told you to sell, it was a great opportunity. Okay, let me read your comments, your chat meanwhile. I trade more, 800 trade a day. I close very fast and open very fast. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your profits. Thanks you so much. You changed my life. I read the market very fast. That's great. A great improvement. I like hammer candle. Yes, yes. Of course, analyzing candles is also important. Okay. Okay, so price is still very close from EMAs here on the GBP. It was a good selling opportunity here. However, for the USD yen, the price is still fluctuating from the top to the bottom. Take a look. The volume has decreased below EMA 20. That's why the market was unable to continue the downward movement. Okay, so volume decreased below EMA 20. So sellers weren't able to continue the movement, and that's why the price went upward again. Okay. Top, I cry. Well, no need to cry, Erkan. It's just about controlling your emotions, okay? The market has different situations to offer. You should be able to trade each situation accordingly. Key is control emotions and take management risk between EMAs. Yes, exactly, that's it. The key is in your trading psychology, which is essential, of course, and in your risk management, in your timing, and everything. Succeeding in Forex trading is a complete skill set, and the trader should work on himself to build this complete skill set. Again, the Euro USD is moving downward, while the GBP USD is slightly below the EMAs. Okay, now the Euro USD is providing a good opportunity, so I'll keep my eye on it a bit. Okay, you can start buying the Euro USD for a long trade, so you can exit here around the EMA 50. Okay, so after buying, you can exit on CEMA 50 or the blue one. Okay. On the Euro USD. The US yen is still facing difficulties continuing the downward movement due to the inability of sellers to push at the same time. That's why the volume was not holding, it's not able to hold above EMA 20 for so long, so that's why the bearish momentum is not able to continue. Okay, however, it's going to happen very soon, so just wait for it. Again, the trader should be able to control his emotions very easily. Okay, trading psychology is essential. Okay, again, the Euro USD is providing a good buying opportunity. Take a look, the price was not able to move downward further. Okay, let's see other markets. The AUD USD also below the EMAs, but it's not providing any opportunity, even though below the EMAs, but very close, so not providing any opportunity yet. For the USD CHF, it's a selling opportunity, however, a small one, not a big one. Okay. The Euro GBP, we don't have anything at the moment. The GBP yen is moving downward after making a good upward movement. The market started to move downward and now below the EMAs, so not providing any opportunity for the moment. Okay, the price is continuing to push downward again. For the Euro USD, you can start buying this market and to close slightly before the EMA 50. Take a look, the price is pushing downward. Please, King of Forex, can you make a robot EA for us with your strategy EMA? You're most welcome, but stay away from EAs or robot scripts. They never work. Otherwise, logically, why would the biggest institutions, biggest prop firm hire and pay a lot for the best Forex traders worldwide to work for them? Okay, why? if they can simply create an EA or a robot. Okay, they never work, and my strategies cannot be scripted in EAs. You need the human intervention. Okay, the robot cannot trade, can never and never will be able to trade the market. Forex trading is complicated. It's not that easy. It's more of an art than a science. Okay, it's more of an art than a science. Okay, Hassan, I'm a robot, sir. Thanks, you're most welcome. Okay, again, so you can start buying the Euro USD, but for the GBP USD, it's still moving downward. Okay, again, the Euro USD is providing a good buying opportunity for the moment. Okay, again, the Euro USD is providing a good buying opportunity again. US 30 focus now, GBP USD. Low spread, take your advice to trade low spread. You're most welcome. Yes, exactly. Trading the pairs or indices or gold with the lowest spreads in the account. Trading the lowest spreads markets in your account. As I have been telling you, it was a great buying opportunity here on the Euro USD, and finally the price is moving upward. Okay, it was a great buying opportunity here on the Euro USD. That's why I kept my eye on it. Take a look. It was a great buying opportunity, and the price now is moving upward. Your target should be slightly below the EMA 50. Alpay King, can you trade Bitcoin one time, please? Bitcoin is traded in the same way. Okay, you can apply in the same way. However, spreads are very high in Bitcoin, so that should be taken into account because, of course, in scalping you always need low spreads. Okay, so in general, in Bitcoin spreads are high, but the good thing is that at sometimes the market is very volatile in Bitcoin, so you can make large pips. Okay, and hopefully soon for trading it here. The AUD USD also is moving upward. However, rejected here on the EMA 9. And the USD CAD is also pushing upward. Okay, the USD yen is trying to push upward again. So here I will add on my orders. Take a look. Okay, so here I will add on my orders for the USD yen trying to push upward again. Crossing EMA 9 and 20. Again, the GBP is slightly below the EMA 9. Okay, so again, after buying the Euro USD, it was the bottom here, and the price is crossing the EMA 9 for the moment. The next target is going to be the EMA 20. Take a look. The price is jumping upward. As I told you to buy previously, it was a good timing, and now you will be closing slightly below the EMA 50. For the USD yen, let's get back again. The price is still fluctuating at the top here, facing difficulties to make the bearish momentum, to hold the bearish momentum. Okay, during the previous attempt, the market has started the bearish momentum, however, wasn't able to continue. And the market is now accumulating the bearish power to start moving downward, crossing the EMAs one by one, starting from EMA 9. Okay, the Euro USD, as I told you to buy, now the price is up. Crossed EMA 9 and going to cross the EMA 20. So if you have had an entry here on the Euro USD, be prepared to close on your profits. The price has crossed EMA 9 and going to cross EMA 20. On the GBP USD also, if you have bought it, now it's time to close on the GBP USD. The price is very close from EMA 50 here, okay? On the Euro USD also, the price is moving to cross EMA 20 and to become below EMA 50, the blue one. The USD yen is still fighting with the EMA 9, slightly above it. And the AUD dollar, you should have closed on your orders if you have bought it, okay? So unfortunately, as you can see, sometimes if you watch my previous live streaming, sometimes it's very fast. Today we've made 2 or 3 entries very fast, but this entry took some time. Okay, so of course, again, you cannot control the speed of the market. Sometimes your entries are fast, while in other times they are low. Okay, but now the price has listened to me and started to become faster. Okay, so hopefully we can reserve this speed. Hopefully the price hold on this speed. Hopefully. We need this speed to make the fast return toward the EMAs that we are looking for, and mainly the market started to move downward. Take a look faster. That's what I'm talking about. We need a faster movement. Traders here, what did I say here? I told you to close on the EMA 50 or slightly below it on the Euro USD. Take a look. I told you to buy here and to close here. Exactly, the price dictated my predictions. Went from this bottom toward the EMA 50. Okay? Again. Okay, so here I told you to close on the EMA 50, and exactly that's what happened. Okay? Take a look, the price is slightly below EMA 50. That's why I told you to close slightly below the EMA 50. Trading Bitcoin is completely different. All markets act in the same way in the general sense, but of course you should trade each market accordingly. Of course, Bitcoin is different and should be traded with the proper settings. My king, your phrase, that's what I'm talking about. Doesn't get old. That's what I'm talking about. You're most welcome. Yes, because I'm analyzing the markets some minutes ago. For example, in all of my live streaming, some minutes ago, I would be analyzing it, and just some minutes later on, it depends on the speed of the market. The price started dictating my predictions. So I always say that's what I was talking about, or that's what I'm talking about, to explain that you should be able to notice these analysis some minutes before they happen. Okay, so that's the message behind it. Okay, GBPUSD is again on the EMAs. The USD yen again and again failing to hold above EMA 20. Okay, so the missing sign here is the volume holding above EMA 20. Every time the volume crossed EMA 20 and increased, the price started to move downward, but it's not able to hold above it. Okay, so here the market started to move faster. We've been very glad, but unfortunately back again to a slow movement. So hopefully it becomes faster. Okay, and the USD CAD is going upward to reach the EMA 20 for the moment. Okay, so for the Euro USD, for example, here you have both. Now you should have closed. The price is still fluctuating around the EMAs for the moment. Okay. I have a feeling it's about price is about to come down pretty soon. Never know. Yes, it's going to move down very soon for the USD yen after too many attempts and not able to continue. Of course, the big bearish movement is on the way. It's going to happen very soon. It all depends on the speed of the market. So hopefully very soon we start to see the price moving downward in a very aggressive mode. Okay, you cannot control the speed of the market, so hopefully the market start moving faster. That's all we need, a faster movement by the market. Again, the Euro USD is very close from EMAs, so we don't have any opportunity here. The GBP USD also very close from the EMAs. Okay, let's get back to the USD yen, slightly above EMA 9 after crossing EMA 20. Again, the volume. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, traders. A sudden downward movement. Take a look. Big bearish candles are on the way. Take a look. The price started to move downward in aggressive mode. All we need is a higher volume. Take a look, take a look, take a look. And be prepared, traders. Be prepared. Okay, it's still too early to close on the USD yen. Of course, the main direction is down, but we need a higher speed. We are still facing the same problem. We need a higher speed, but we are improving. The speed of the market is improving. Okay, so here we have sold the top and the price has crossed EMA 920. That's a great sign. The next target is EMA 50. So the price now is going to break or reach the EMA 50. For the Euro USD, the price is still fluctuating between the EMAs. GBP USD also fluctuating between the EMAs. And take a look here, for example, the EMAs are getting very close from each other. So now out of a sudden, the price will make the breakout either upward or downward. But of course, the EMAs cannot continue very close from each other. And the breakout is going to happen very soon. So pay attention here on the GBP USD. A blow is about to happen. Euro USD also very close from the EMAs. Okay, so for the GBP USD, the market is about to make a sudden aggressive movement. Okay. The market accumulating pressure. It may come down on a pretty aggressive move to the downside. Yes, of course. During these moments, the market will be accumulating the bearish power, and here the missing sign is the volume indicator. And then out of a sudden, the big bearish candles would start. As you are seeing, out of a sudden, the market is creating very big bearish candles, but not able to continue the downward movement. So it's going to happen out of a sudden. That's why the trader should always be focused and ready. Control emotions and risk management between EMAs is key. The top. Yes, of course. Big space between EMA also key. Yes, it's about timing. That's it. Okay. Of course, risk management and timing with trading psychology. Yes, trading successfully takes a lot from you as a trader. Yes. It's a skill set at the end that you need to acquire to be able to succeed, as same as with any other career. All your advice is the gold. You're most welcome, Hassan. My pleasure. Okay, the euro is pushing upward. The GBP USD, the EMAs are very close. So big candles are on the way because the EMAs will separate. They are not going to remain as close as that. Easy money with your big strategy in the world. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your easy money and big profits. Okay, as I told you here, for the GBP USD, the market is about to blow. And take a look now, big candles are on the way, starting from here. Take a look, big candles. What did I say on the GBP USD some minutes ago, traders? What did I say some minutes ago on the GBP USD? I told you big candles are on the way. Take a look at the USD yen. Also, I told you here, big candles are on the way. Take a look at the USD yen. The price is moving downward in a very, very aggressive mode. Take a look, traders. As I was telling you, be prepared for a big bearish candle, big bearish movement. Take a look. The price is moving downward in a very aggressive mode. That's what I was talking about, traders. Take a look. I told you. All we need is the volume. Take a look here. We have the volume now. That's why the price has moved downward. Just tell me how long you are going to work on yourself to be able to read the market in this way. Just tell me. Okay, take a look. Once the volume increased, the price started moving downward. Other markets, meanwhile, euro dollar again on EMA 50, GBP USD again. After, as I told you here, the EMAs are going to be separated and the price started pushing upward. Okay, the USD yen is downward for the moment, below EMA 50 for the moment. Take a look. The price is below the EMA 50 and will be pushing downward further. Out of a sudden, the price has started slightly below the EMA 50 for the USD yen. Take a look. Okay, the volume here crossed EMA 20 and for the next candle it's above it. So that's a good sign that we were missing some moments ago. We were missing this sign, the volume hold above EMA 20. So as you can see now, the market is moving faster. So hopefully it continues in this way, the speed of the market. We need it to continue in this fast mode. gbpusd, as I told you here, the EMAs are going to be separated, and they started to separate. Okay, eurusd again fluctuating around the EMA 50, unable to break it. The USD yen slightly below the EMA 50, also unable to break it. Take a look here. Control your emotions, traders. Control your emotions when the market is fast and when the market is slow. Okay. Whoa, whoa, you are king in world. Whoa, sir. You are. It's my pleasure, traders. Okay. All my life for Forex King. Daiga, you're most welcome. Patient is key. Sorry, being shopping. Check USD yen. Yes, we are on the USD yen. Take a look at the volume holding above EMA 20 for the moment. What about USD CAD now? Okay, let me check. USD CAD is pushing downward. It's providing a good buying opportunity. Okay, so the USD CAD is providing a good buying opportunity for the moment. Okay. The USD CAD is providing a good buying opportunity. Your target should be here between EMA 9 and 20, slightly above, slightly below the EMA 20. It's not going to be a big movement. Okay. AUD USD, you don't have an opportunity yet. You might wait for the price to move upward further than that, and you can start entering it. Okay, I'll get back to the USD yen. Take a look. The price is pushing downward again, unable to cross EMA 50 as I told you. Let me get back to the Euro USD. It's pushing upward, continuing the upward movement again. Holding above EMA 50 after so long, and the GBPUSD is still continuing the upward movement, moving upward. The GBP yen is also moving upward. Take a look. The GBP yen is also moving upward. Okay. The USD yen has crossed or reached EMA 9. The GBPUSD is still pushing upward. And the Euro USD is moving upward again after crossing EMA 50. Okay, I'll keep my eye on the GBPUSD. It's going to provide a good selling opportunity for the moment. Okay, so the GBPUSD might be providing a good selling opportunity for the moment. Okay, so wait for it on the GBPUSD. Just wait for it here. King, how did you know a big bearish candle coming just now? Secrets. Hidden secrets. Okay. Everything is available on my website from A to Z. How to become pro like you? Of course, it takes practice, it takes time, of course. The #1 trader, Daiga, it's my pleasure. You're most welcome. Okay, again, I repeat, some of your entries are going to be very fast, some are going to be slower. Okay, you cannot control the speed of the market, traders. So the GBPUSD, after getting rejected here, you can start selling it, showing weakness in this upward movement, and the price is going to move downward for the moment. The Euro USD, okay, I'm trying my best to analyze the whole market for you, so you can benefit from that to improve your analysis and also to enter a market for the traders that are joining lately this live stream, so you don't have an entry yet, you can start entering in these markets as we are explaining. For the USD yen, again, the price is trying to push upward. Okay, here we have a good speed, so hopefully the market continue with this speed. It's normal for the price to fluctuate a bit while continuing the bearish momentum. That's fine. As you can see, slightly above EMA, slightly below, but the main direction is down. As you can see, the price started heading downward again. Okay, the price is moving downward again. And the euro is pushing upward in a very aggressive mode. Okay, so all markets are going faster right now. Hopefully it continues like that. The faster, the better in scalping. And let's get back to the USD yen. Again, very big bearish candle again. The euro is pushing upward. Do not sell right now. Just wait for the price to break upward much further. Do not sell right now the euro dollar. We are not in GBP USD. You are in euro USD. So do not sell right now the euro USD. Just wait for the upward movement to continue further on. The GBP USD, as I told you here, from this rejection to start selling, you can start selling the GBP USD. Okay, the USD yen again showing a second big bearish candle at as same as it happened there. And the main direction here is down. However, the price is fluctuating a bit around the EMAs. That's normal. It might happen sometimes. However, the good thing is volume above EMA 20, holding above EMA 20. Okay, so the market went into a fast mode. The AUD USD is moving upward again above EMAs, and the GBP yen also moving upward above the EMAs. Okay, so mainly here your next opportunity should be for the traders who don't have any opportunity yet. You can wait for the euro dollar to increase a bit, to move upward further, and you can start selling it. Okay, so don't sell right now, it's too early. Wait for the price to move upward much further. The USD yen is taking time. It's moving slowly, but it's fine. Now the speed is faster, but we have some fluctuations around the EMAs. It's okay. Okay, let me read your chat. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed Friday, everyone. Daiga. Have a great weekend. I place sell limit. Yes, you can also use the sell limit. Yes. Okay, of course, you can always use sell limit and buy limit. George, hey, I just got an USD yen like you. Yes, no worries. Okay, you can also start selling the euro USD if the market start moving upward further, but the best is always to trade one pair at a time. Okay. The GBP USD, as I've been telling you to start selling this market, the price is pushing downward again. King, what's your strategy? Here I'm trading the EMA strategy, but only the basic version of it. The basic version of it on my channel. The full version is available on my website. Okay, so the EMA strategy. I use sell stop and buy stop. Yes, definitely. You can always use the sell stop and buy stop. Okay. Also sell limit and buy limit. These are helpful and you can always use them and use take profit and for selling and for buying. Okay, so using limit orders are always great and using take profit is always great. Take a look again at the USD yen. With your strategy, I use sell stop and buy stop more. George, how many pips are you trying to hit in USD yen? George, it seems you are new here. It's not like that. Things are not like that. What you know is famous. is not useful. Everything famous in Forex is not useful, okay? It depends on each market situation. Sometimes you make very large pips in a very short amount of time. Sometimes you wait a lot and you make less pips. The important thing is to not lose, okay? And to win big when you should hit big, and to win small when you should close fast and accept a small profit, okay? So the importance is your timing. Sometimes small profit and small profits added together can increase. Sometimes very high profits in a very short amount of time. It depends on each market situation, okay? For risk management, I use sell stop and buy stop, okay. Yes, no worries at all. It can be used and it's efficient. Always use take profit also. Limit orders. If you trade more, you take more with your value strategy. Yes, exactly. Because you practice it more, so you become better. Gareth, it's Saturday morning in Australia. Time to get some fresh air. Closed with $60. Much love and respect. Enjoy your profits. Gareth, you're most welcome. Congratulations for your profits, even though small profits, but at the end, profit is profit. Take a look at the USD yen, pushing downward for the moment. Take a look. The market is pushing downward for the moment. Okay. The price started to push downward. Take a look at the USD yen. Let's see other markets. Meanwhile, the Euro USD is still upward again. And the USD yen is still pushing downward. Okay, the Euro USD. Okay, so $150 in profits. Okay. So here I'll be closing on my profits. Let's close on our profit, even though a small profit, but we've been waiting a lot for it. Okay. So here I have closed on my profits, traders. Okay. So here I have closed on my profits. Take a look on the USD yen. Okay, close on your profits on the USD yen, traders. Close on your profits, because I will be explaining to you, because you still have only 2 hours before the market close and you go to a weekend. Okay, so in this case, you do not take a very large risk. You see why you need experience in trading, traders. You see. Okay, so in such a case, you do not take a whole risk. And the market is fluctuating a lot. So the market, as I told you, a big bearish candle, big bearish momentum is on the way. The market did a big bearish momentum. Okay, but here, due to risk management, you should close, because the price is fluctuating a lot, and it might be fluctuating. Due to these fluctuations, it might be moving downward. It might be moving upward again, so it might take lots of time to get back to this level where you are right now, and you still only have 2 hours before the market close and you are going to a weekend. So in such a case, you don't take the risk. You see, traders, you always have to pay attention to your timing and your entries. Okay, so close on your profits, traders. Close on your profits and make profits on the USD yen. That's what I'm talking about, traders. That's why you have closed. Take a look at the fluctuations made by the price. Take a look at the fluctuations made by the price on the USD yen. Let's see other markets meanwhile, before I read your chat. Okay, USD CAD is pushing upward. Okay, so you understand here, traders. For example, here we've taken a long, it took some time. The market was very slow, so it took a long time with a small profit. So it's not about timing, it's not about the duration. Again, I repeat, it depends on each market situation. This is Forex trading. Sometimes in 1 minute you may make thousands of dollars. Sometimes in 1 hour you may make only hundreds of dollars. Okay, it's not about the time, it's about each market situation. that is offered by the price. Okay, but it's all in your risk management and your efficiency as a trader. Are you closing USDN before market close? Yes, of course. In scalping, you should close every day. You should close all your orders at the end of the day. You should not trade the last hours of a day. Patient is key. I wish I can be patient as you. You're most welcome. You need to work on your trading psychology, of course. Great profits this week. Always thank you, King, for that. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your profits. QF and volume, red or green? It's not important because I see sometimes the big volume is green and volatile, but the market went down. No. When the volume is up, it doesn't mean that the market is going to be up. Sometimes the volume is up, the market is down. Sometimes the volume is up and the market is up. Okay. Volume is up means you have higher volatility, so you can expect bigger candles. Take a look here. Since the volume has increased, you can start expecting bigger candles. You can start expecting larger pips. I have explained a lot about the volume today in this live streaming, so you may go back some minutes and you can watch the full explanation. Okay. For the red and the green in the volume, please pay attention here. When it's green, it means the volume is increasing. When it's red, it means the volume is decreasing. So for example, here the volume was decreasing, here the volume was increasing, okay? To make you understand it very well. Well done, Connor, you're most welcome. George, I closed very fast. Check USDN time difference, sir, after hammer candle market crash. Wow, you're most welcome. Wait 5 minutes, it will came down very fast. Yes, it already done. USDN will touch EMA. $200 profit. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your profits. Good weekend, my king. Thank you, because I had confusion about the green and red. You're most welcome, Richard. King, your explanation is very good. Thank you. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your profits, traders, that you have made with me during this live streaming. However, I went live a little bit late, so the market was in a slow mode. Okay, so I didn't expect, of course, to be making large profits today because the market is in a slow mode. However, I trade to enjoy my time with you. My goal is not to make profits. I've made a lot in my life. Okay, so it's to enjoy our time and to give you motivation, to make you learn from me, to trade with me. Okay, so USDN here, as you can see, the market has went down after we have analyzed it very well. And as you can see here, we have closed because the market is about to close in 2 hours. You don't take the risk. Amazing trade on USDN. Awesome patience and time, Greeky. You're most welcome. Queenie M just made $623 with you, King. Thank you so much for everything. You're just a blessing and idol. Queenie, congratulations for your big profits earned with me during this live streaming. You're most welcome. Enjoy your weekend and thank you for your kind words. It's my pleasure. We miss you. I wish to trade live. Yes, trying my best to go live as much as possible. My volume is not the same as you, King. Is it because of the broker? Marin. Well, Marin, the volume is almost the same with all brokers, but it depends on the broker network. Okay. The volume actually is, this number represents the ticks, okay? So how many ticks the price is making, okay? So each time the price moves, very small movement, that's a tick, okay? Either up or down, that's a tick. So this volume is a counter of these ticks. It counts the ticks, okay? And some brokers, you will see that their numbers, their volume is different from others. Why? Because in some brokers, their network is smaller than others, okay? So each broker has his network, okay? And the volume is larger when the network of the broker is larger. So that's why you might see different numbers and volumes, but the idea is the same. And that's why you should use the EMA 20 to smooth that. That's why we use EMAs, to smooth these numbers. Once you are using the EMA 20, you don't need to read the number again. What is, for example, now here it's 50. You don't need that. Okay, you test it with EMA 20 first of all. Second of all, you will start to learn what are your numbers when the volume is increasing, when it's showing a high number. Okay, here you have the maximum. You can see your high numbers. You will learn your high numbers. For example, any number. Okay, you will learn the high numbers, so you will start to learn when the market is in high volatility or not. Okay. Have a great weekend. Thank you, King. You're most welcome, Daigar. Thanks for sharing the trade with us. It's my pleasure. I hope we see you more often on YouTube Live to help us make profits. Anna, you're most welcome. Yes, I've done dozens of live streamings. I advise you to watch my whole content and including my previous live streamings. Okay? Including my previous live streamings. Okay, so we've made here a good profit, however, a small profit. You know here why? Because we were trading the USD yen. So the right pair is the yen, if you know the basics in Forex. And unfortunately, many traders do not know the basics even after lots of time trading. Okay, so here I've been trading the USD yen. So it means my profits are counted in yen, in JPY. And as you know, the JPY now is in a big crash against the USD. The USD is 140. Take a look. So the JPY is in a big crash again. So it's very weak in front of the USD. That's why 100 pips, 100 points, let's say, on JPY does not mean 100 USD. Okay, so your profits here or your losses are smaller in the USD yen than Euro USD, because here your profits are in USD. Here 100 points means 100 US dollar profits or loss. Okay. Thank you, King. You are the best. You're most welcome, Marin. Yes, of course, every time you trade live with me traders, you are going to make profits, as same as in my previous live streamings. Nice session today, my King. Looking forward to another one. You're most welcome. Okay, I'm still even looking for another entry for the moment. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have closed on the USD yen. Okay. Hope to see you often. Yes, trying my best to go as much as possible. Looking forward to another one. Thanks again, King. Take care of yourself. Been trading with you for the second year. Always a pleasure. No doubt your strategy is king of scalping and you are the scalping king. Peace. It's my pleasure. Thank you for your kind words, for this great comment. Congratulations for your big improvement and your big profits earned with me. And keep moving forward in your trading career. King, do you heard the crash of FTX? Yes, of course. It was written in the whole world. Everyone knew about it. Yes, of course. Okay. Take a look here. The price is moving upward on the gbpusd, so I might have another last entry for today if the price move upward again on the gbpusd. The USD and you see traders, why I closed here. As I've been telling you, the price is fluctuating, so it's showing a risk of not continuing the downward movement. You see traders, and you only have 2 hours. Now you have 1 hour 40 minutes before the market close. Do you take the risk or you close with a small profit? If you are a professional trader, you close here with a small profit. You see, that's the gold education that you need. Okay, I told you the price is going to fluctuate a lot, and exactly that's what's happening here on the USD yen. Okay, so now you should start think about closing your day. Okay, because the market is about to end, and now spreads will become spreads will increase to become very high, and the market will start moving very slowly. So now it's not a good time to trade, of course. Okay, now it's not at all a good time. The last minutes, the last hours of a trading day, just avoid it anytime, because spreads are high, the market is very slow. What are you doing here? Scalping, you need low spreads, you need fast markets. Okay, so it's completely the opposite. It's not your place to stay here. Okay, so just avoid the last moments of any, so avoid the closing of any trading day and the opening of any trading day also. Okay, it's not good, it's not convenient for scalping. Okay, what about USD CAD? Now I can close. Okay, I didn't see your yes, of course. Now you should close on the USD CAD immediately. If you have bought at the bottom, now it's time to close, because the price is getting closer from EMA 50. However, it's moving upward with difficulty. You don't have the volume crossing EMA 50. Okay, so you should close on the USD CAD, of course. Hi, I'm new here. Please guide what's going on. Hello, Narendra. You're most welcome. Okay, I advise you to watch my content from the beginning. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live. Okay, someone asked about USD CAD. Now you should close on the USD CAD, as I've been telling you. Okay, the price crossed EMA 50. Now you should close on the USD CAD. So just to make things, every basic EMA version trade you take has a possibility every time to take a long time to finally come into profit, sometimes quick. So exactly, and not just in the strategy itself, but in scalping in general. For the main for the main reason that the trader can never ever control the speed of the market. So the trader can control everything in his trading, from his emotion to his technicals to his strategy to everything, but he cannot never ever control the speed of the market. If the market is fast, you make fast profits. If the market is slow, you will be making small and slow profits. But small profits added together count a lot. At the end, profit is profit. And at the end, you cannot know if the market is now fast or not. Sometimes it's slow. Out of a sudden, it becomes fast. You can never control the speed of the market. It depends on the volume traded. That's the speed. So how many are trading at this time? The higher the volume, the faster the price will be moving. Okay, and in scalping, it's always recommended to trade high volatility. So exactly, Ricky. You have great courage, King. Yes, of course, it takes a brave heart to trade Forex. Definitely, especially when you are trading millions. This is nothing, that's peanuts. But when you are trading millions traders and billions for big institutions, when you have the responsibility of trading the billions of the wealthiest persons in the world, and you are working in a prop firm, and they throw at you some billions from the wealthiest persons in the world, here you have a very big responsibility. Here you need to control yourself, your emotions. Here it's very hard, of course. It takes time to be able to win these situations. Even if you are a good trader, when you have billions in front of you, when you are trading billions, it's not easy at all, of course. Okay, so of course it takes a brave heart. That's essential. That's the number one thing. If you don't control your field, obviously stay away from that. Of course, you cannot reach high levels in trading, of course. Do you trade full time? Yes, I used to trade, definitely. I used to trade 16 hours a day. For now, of course. Okay, of course, now after 13 years, 16 hours a day. No, I do not. Now I trade from time to another. However, I advise you to trade the whole possible time. The more you trade, the more you learn, the more you make. Is it wise to buy AUD USD right now? Okay, so I told you to close on the USD CAD. Now you should have closed. exactly what I told you to close here. The price has returned back towards the EMAs. Okay, euro dollar, it was a good buying opportunity here. We have missed it. And the GBP USD, I wanted to sell here, but also it was a small movement, a small entry. That's why I didn't take it. Okay, the USD yen traders, take a look. We have closed around this level, and exactly here the price is showing you how risky it is to hold on your profits here. You see how risky it is. Okay, some minutes have passed, many candles, and the price didn't continue moving downward much further. Traders, that's only the reading of the market. How did I know that here I should close? Because the price is going to move up. How did I know? How? That's my feeling of the market. That's the secret. You need to trade day in, day out to be able to develop this feeling and reading of the market. And you will start to see the beauty of the Forex trading, how easy it is to win, and you will see that how far away you were before knowing the truth, before trading on the right path. You will see how far away you've been and how difficult it was for you, actually impossible for you to win in Forex trading before being on the right path. Even if you stayed 12, 13, 14, 16 years, many traders wasted their years and didn't reach anything in Forex, unfortunately, because of being on the wrong path, unfortunately. Okay, for AUD USD, it was a good buy opportunity. Now it's time to close. What was the longest time you waited to get your profits in Forex? It depends on each market situation. Okay, it depends. Sometimes it can be measured in hours, and sometimes in 1 minute, in minutes. So the longest one should be in hours, in a couple of hours. Okay, it's the longest one. Do you wait for news events to finish, or do you get knocked out by big moves? Never knocked out. You can watch my previous live streamings. I've traded the biggest news ever live here on YouTube. Go and watch them. I'm talking about very big news like NFP and the biggest news that are ever released. I've traded them live and made very large profits. We can watch my previous live streamings. Okay, so to be answering you, the trader will be trading his strategy normally during the news. Okay, so you will be applying your strategy normally during the news. Before the news, after the news, and during the news, it's about applying the strategy normally. Okay, the news are always good, providing a high volatility in the market. You see, traders, the USD yen was not able to continue the downward movement. Okay, you can take another trade now. I've waited for the GBP USD to move actually higher a bit to provide us with a good opportunity, but it didn't. So the market is about to close in some moments, so it's not very wise to take a trade for the moment. Okay, why? Because now let's say if you buy or sell the market, the price might enter in a very slow mode, and you will just be wasting hours waiting for the price, just not moving, not even making 10 pips. Okay, thanks, Connor, you're most welcome. Okay, so don't forget to watch my previous live streamings. Also watch the replay of this one, because you were trading live with me. It's completely different from watching the replay. You can improve when watching the replay, okay, to focus on your trading style and your improvement. Okay, as you can see here, the USD yen, it was a golden exit. It was a golden exit here. We have closed on our profits, even small profits. We have accepted our small profits because the market was very slow. That's why we have earned small profits. However, here you can see how skillful you are. If you have closed here before the market closed, you took your profits here, and that's excellent. Okay, so here it was a small profit, however. Okay, traders, so I'm still giving the market the opportunity for another movement, so we might enter. But as you can see, mainly we don't have any movement. However, the gbpusd might be providing a movement. So let's see. The AUD-USD is moving upward. Gavin, how do I prevent the wrong path? By being on the right path. Okay, the complete trading skill set is available on my website to start on the right path. Because unfortunately, everything outside is pure nonsense. You said you worked in the finance industry for a while. Yes, for a long time, for many years, traded in the multinational prop firms. Okay, the question is it wise to borrow money from institutions to trade? I ask because I saw companies advertising to lend money to trade. Okay, first of all, of course, you should be aware of that. You should do your own due diligence, your own research to check about these companies lending money to trade. However, you can enter some challenges. Some challenges are very well known. You can enter these challenges because it's a very added value to your experience as a trader. So you will take lots of experience. For example, many of my customers have purchased everything from my website and passed the FTMO challenge and many other challenges with excellent results. Okay, so taking challenges is great. It's an added value to your journey in forex trading. Okay, it's an added value, it's an added experience. But to borrow money, so in the true sense of borrowing money, it means you need to return this money after you have traded for a while. I don't advise for that. I always advise to trade your own money. Okay, don't trade others' money unless you are a professional. After some time, you are for example, when I started out, I was trading only for myself. I was learning. Then, when I became very profitable, very successful, and after many years, I started with prop firms. Then I started trading for others. Okay, traded others people's money, traded for prop firms, and finally traded for me with very big, very large numbers, very large account balances. Okay. So for me, in general, never borrow money to trade. Never. Okay? Only use your own money to trade. Yes, it's the best experience, and your courses and YouTube channel is the best, King. You're the best. Thank you. You're most welcome, Daiga. Thank you for your kind words. And congratulations for your improvement. Traders, what did I say about the USD yen, traders? What did I say about the USD yen? I told you, do not enter the USD yen. I told you, what did I say some minutes ago? I told you here I need to close. Now, what can I do here? As I do in all of my live streamings, here I should resell the USD yen. I should start reselling the USD yen here, as I do in all of my live streamings, and double my profits. But the market is about to close very soon, so it's not worth it to enter right now. Okay, but just to give you the idea that how important your timing is. So here you should have closed on the USD yen. You should have closed here, and now you can resell to double your profits. Okay, but since the market is about to close, you don't enter this opportunity. However, on the Euro USD, we also have a good opportunity. Let's see if the volume keep holding above for some time. So we can enter a buying opportunity on the Euro USD mainly. Mainly it's going to be a buying entry, okay? The USD yen traders, that's why we have closed. Take a look now, the price is up again. You see, it was a golden exit here. That's what I'm talking about. That's your timing. Now a trader would tell me, well, I watched you and I was not able to trade this and I had difficulties. I closed in a loss maybe or something. Okay. you need to work on your timing. You need to feel the market better. You need to read the market better. You need to get the complete trading skill set. Maybe your problems are with the basics. Maybe, for example, here you don't know that you are trading USD yen. It means the right currency is JPY. It means 100 pips are not 100 USD. It means your profits or losses are going to be small. Maybe your problems are in the basics. Maybe the full career is not for you. Maybe you're not passionate about it. Maybe you are just doing it for the money. So you need to sit with yourself, to talk to yourself, okay? Take a look here. So GBP USD still below the EMAs. Okay, the USD yen, as I told you here, we have closed at a perfect moment. Now the price is up again. Let's see for the Euro USD if the price moves down further, so we can start entering. Jonathan, a member, as you can see, the star here with Jonathan means that he has joined. I advise you all traders to join my channel because I will be making some live streamings with member only chat. Okay, so don't forget to join. King is the best. Thank you, Jonathan. You're undoubtedly the best because you read and understand every movement of the market. That's it. That's it. 100%. You named it. Exactly. That's what you need to succeed in Forex trading. You see why it's hard, traders? Take a look at the last comment by E. If you have read your name. E-Gay. You're undoubtedly the best because you read and understand every movement of the market. Exactly. Once you are able to understand and read and feel the market, nothing can stop you. Nothing. Okay? So you should focus on your timing, on your ability to read the price action, ability to read the market. Take a look here. The price went in a sudden movement. Take a look here. If I didn't close here, okay, now I would be crying. If I didn't close here, now I would be crying. So the market doesn't give you a second chance. There is no second chance in Forex. That's why it's hard. The market is like playing with you. Can you read me? Can you expect my steps? Can you predict me? If yes, you will be rewarded, and a lot rewarded. Okay? It's the most lucrative career. What you can make here, the amount you can make in Forex trading, you cannot make anywhere else. So the market is like that, trying to trick you. Can you predict me? If yes, you are rewarded a lot. If not, you are going to cry. That's it. That's why Forex trading is hard. That's why you need to read the market. Okay? How long will the sale last? You're most welcome, Lavanti. Okay, exactly. Well, actually, in the Christmas, if I do remember, my customers told me that to hold on the sale. So I hold on the sale, and I didn't decide on which day to get back to the original prices. So hopefully soon, for the moment, I will keep the discount. Because my goal from that is not to profit, of course, but to place traders on the right path towards success. It's nothing for me what I'm selling. I'm selling at the lowest possible price. So to be affordable for everyone, because that's my mission. Again, the Euro USD is very close from the EMAs. So GBP USD very close from EMAs. The USD yen finally here we have closed, and now it's very close from EMAs. Okay, so it was of course nothing, a very small profit. At the end, you should not be trading at that time. Okay, during the ending moments of a trading day, you should not be trading, of course. But we have traded and enjoyed our time. Okay. So that's it for today, traders. Enjoyed my time as always trading with you. Have a great weekend. Work on yourself during the weekend. Try to improve, try to understand yourself and the market better. Okay. put some hours, work on yourself, and at the same time enjoy your weekend. You should always trade with a good emotions. So don't be angry when you are trading, when you are not in the mood. Do not trade when you are not in the mood, because really it's hard to trade when you are not in the mood. Okay, don't forget you are doing the hardest career. So of course only 1% in this career are successful. Don't forget these numbers. Only 1% are successful. It's complicated, it's hard. So to be able to succeed, you need to put lots of time. Okay, take it seriously. If you are really passionate about it, at the end, it's very worth it. More than you think, even more than you imagine. And you cannot reach this level outside of Forex trading. Okay, so work on yourself in the weekend, and also enjoy your weekend to have a good mood to be able to trade in the next week. My best wishes for you in your next trading week. You too, take care. Thank you for going live, King. We can't wait till you go live again, hopefully soon. Ricky, my best wishes. Thanks a lot. It was great. Have a good weekend. Thank you, QOF. Take care, King Daiga. Thanks, King of Forex. Janice, you're most welcome. Okay, traders. So again, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed my time with you. As always, have a great weekend. Enjoy it and work on yourself in trading. My best wishes for you. This is King of Forex from the 1% Club.